Hey guys, in this video I'm showing you how to make fake blood for films, plays, costumes, and even pranks. So let's get into the video. First, you're going to need a small cup or container. You're going to need a spoon. You're going to need some red food coloring. And you're going to need some Hershey's chocolate syrup. So you want to start by pouring as much chocolate syrup as you want into your cup or container. So now you want to take your red food coloring and pour about 3 to 4 drops of food coloring into your chocolate syrup. Now just stir up the chocolate syrup with your spoon. So now that you're finished, you can use it for different things, such as a bloody nose, a bloody lip, or just a cut or scratch.